So hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today I'm gonna be showing you my claw machine that my vending machine that I made. Which my brother put something inside of it. Which it's really easy. All you need is a cardboard box and some snacks or whatever that you're gonna put inside your vending machine. So. Cardboard box. Sorry, there's something stuck inside of it. Okay, so make sure it's it's stuck inside. So, this you're gonna want to cut holes at the bottom for the stuff that comes out, or you can cut it at the top and dig in there and pull your thing out, and then cut a hole for the coins that goes inside of there. But if you don't want to cut a hole for coins and you just want to get them out regular, then okay. So that's how it works. I'm gonna take my coin, make sure I might have got it jammed. So if it gets jammed, you just open up the box at the back and pull it down. There's your coin. Then I'll shut the dispenser at the back. Shut that. Okay. Now let's try this again. Put it in there. Let's see if it's... Nope. So let's see what I want. Now let's open up this bottom. Ask for candy sours. Crybaby Tears candy sours. Yeah, I got it straight out the vending machine, which it looks like. Put my bag of chips with it. Okay, the vending machine's empty. There's only a few chips in there, but there we go. There would be your vending machine. Then you'll hear it drop, and mine I made a latch right there, which is about to fall off really close. I'm trying not to make it fall off, but there's a latch that I can, for safety, if this gets stuck inside of there and I can't get out, then I just stick my fingers through the latch, open up that, stick it through there, pull that down. There's that. And then back is this. So the back of this right here is where you open it up and put three, which have icy spray candy, cherry that I got from Tennessee, that I put inside of there. Of course, a lot of those, because my little brother filled it with those. Then all your money should be down here. Should have 4 cents. No, I have 13 cents in here. Actually, I have 14 cents because this one fell out to these things, so you can collect your money. I just keep mine down there, and then I shut those pieces of box right there, and then close that, take this piece of tape right here, and I tape it just on there, and there we go. There's that. Front side latch. Back in there. And this got jammed, guys. So okay, there we go. Here's the full box machine. You can now also make a claw machine. You just have to take a rope, and I know I have a claw that I took out today. My camera's on the charger, so I'll have to find that while you guys are sitting right here. Claw was just over here. So not over there, but it's a little claw to a crane, so that you could tie a rope to it and then like take a stick or something, put it in the little hole at the top, and then like have your buttons, so when you want something you like the rope will be tied up on something, so just let the rope go down and then click your stick and it opens it up, then let go your stick, it pulls it, then pull your rope again. So that would be a good thing. If I get, let's see, 50 likes on this video, I guess, yeah, 50 likes, then I will do a video of the claw machine, so I'll find that claw. But yeah, this is all for this vlog. Claw machine comes, not the claw machine, I keep saying claw machine, it comes in handy, which I didn't even pay for this, so it's a really good claw machine. I'm gonna get some money out the back to pay for it because I'm out of coins. Got my coin. When I'm out of coins, I just take other people's coins from the back. Listen to it. I'll get my spray candy. Barely in the end there. This comes in handy, so. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. I'm gonna get a mini claw machine probably, and I'll probably do an unboxing on that when I get that. So I'll see you guys next time, and peace out.